In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code for any website using Google Chrome. QR codes can be incredibly useful for quickly sharing links without the need to type out a long URL or email it to someone. So, whether you're managing a business, need to share a useful link with a friend, or simply want to learn something new, this tutorial is perfect for you. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is open up Google Chrome on your computer and navigate to the website for which you want to create a QR code. If you have a specific URL in mind, just type it into the address bar and hit enter. If not, you can use a search engine to find the site you're looking for. This is an important step, as the QR code you generate is going to be directly linked to the page you have open in Chrome. Once you're on the desired website, the next step is to right-click on any blank space within the web page. This action will bring up a context menu. Be sure you're not right-clicking on an image or a link, as this might bring up different options. Instead, aim for a clear area on the page to ensure you see the correct menu items. In the context menu that appears, look for the option that says, Create QR code for this page. It's usually at the bottom half of the menu, and selecting this option will trigger Chrome to generate a QR code for the page you currently have open. After you select this option, a QR code will pop up on your screen, typically in the top right corner. This QR code is now linked to the website you're on, meaning anyone who scans it will be directed straight to that page. No need to type out lengthy URLs. The final step is to download this QR code to your computer so you can use it wherever you like. Just click on the download button, which you'll see adjacent to the QR code. Chrome will save the file in your default download location, usually your Downloads folder, as a PNG image. Once it's saved, you can print it, share it via email, or even place it on your business materials to make it easier for people to find directly what they need. And that's it. You've now successfully created and downloaded a QR code for any website using Google Chrome. This process is quick, simple, and extremely efficient for getting the right content to the right people with just a scan of their phone camera. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tech tips.